In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade in Pocket Option. So the first thing you want to do is actually sign into your account, and then you want to top up. So first, you must have some balance on here on your account. Now, this is only available on your quick trading real accounts and then other real accounts you have over here. So if you're using a demo account, you can't actually do this on your demo account. Unfortunately, it's not yet available. You're going to have to use real money on your real accounts. So select one of your real accounts where you have some funds, some balance, and then once you do that, here on the right you're going to see a bunch of things, and the third one is going to be social trading. Now where it says social trading, click on that, and then over here you can see you can filter by different things. So by top ranked trades, by top ranked traders for 24 hours, top 100 traders, etc. So of course, you can search between these and find the one you would like to copy trade. Now, for example, I'm going to go to top ranked traders for 24 hours, and I'm just going to, for example, pick this one over here who is top rated. Now, you want to click on that, and then if you have some funds over here, you'll be able to then start copying trades. So it says add money to your account in order to copy trades. But of course, you can watch them even though you may not have any balance on your account. So you can just click watch over here, and then you're going to start watching them just like this. Now here, as I said, if you have some balance on your account, you'll then be able to click on copy trade and start copy trading. And then after you've done that, after you're copy trading some people, you want to click on here where there's this kind of drop down menu, and you can click on list of copy traders, and you can see whoever you are currently copy trading. So my list currently is empty. I have no funds on here, but if I did, of course, I would have some copy traders, and then I'd be able to see how to basically copy trade and which copy traders I am copying. Okay, so here you can also see traders who are copying you. So in case there's somebody copying you over here, you can see it on this list as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.